Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Fjällräven Zip Wallet in the Deep Patina color, which is a kind of green. I just got it. I think it's a very nice wallet. We will see in this video first what it is and the dimension and so on. And after I will pack it as I pack it in my everyday carry. So we will see everything I put and the little tips like this one, for example, that I will share with you. Keep watching, and if you want to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and put a like on this video. Thank you very much. Let's get to it. So like I said, we are here in front of the Fjällräven Zip Wallet in Deep Patina. But you also have a different color like dark gray. You have an acorn, which is kind of a yellow. You have a navy, and you have a dark olive alternatives. So for the dimensions, they advertise 12 centimeters in length, which is true, a little more if you count this. Then 10 centimeters in width, which is the case, and depth, they say about 1 centimeter, which is a little more maybe, and if you feel it, I think it will be more than this. Then staying on the exterior for now, this is a very durable G1000 heavy duty material. You can find it in Fjällräven other offerings, which are backpacks and a lot of other things. So it's very nice. I really like this material. The thing that I also really like is this leather pull tab, which is really nice, as you can see here. And we have reversed YKK zippers. So they are not AquaGuard zippers, but anyway, this should be in your pocket, so it will not be like this under the rain, so it should be quite fine. And if we look at what kind of zippers it is, it's a YKK 5RC zippers, which is a beefy zip for a wallet like this, which is really nice. And we have another zipper right here, and this one is not branded, so it's a small YKK zippers, but anyway, you don't have a lot of pressure here and you don't need a beefy YKK 5RC zipper. And you have a liner. I don't really know the material for this liner, but it's really nice. It has a beige interior, and here you have a little bit of leather on top, which is really nice. As you can see, you can fit the banknotes. Nothing can fall from here. You seem like there is, but there is not. It's closed. So perfect. The black things that you see right here, I will explain later. It's part of my daily EDC carry. You have a pocket here, which is really nice because I'm French. We still travel with big old ID cards, so I will not show mine on the camera, but it's very nice for French people, so that it fits perfectly, but you can put other things if you are in a more technologically advanced country. Sorry. And here you have 3 slots for credit card. For some it may be not enough, for me it's quite fine. Here you have the zip pocket where you can put some coins. For example, I have a 2 euros coin always on me just in case, even if I prefer credit card usage. And here you can put your banknotes or something else like I will show you right now. As you can see, it's very nice opening and closing it. I really like it. The fox is in leather right here. Now, if you have questions, put them in the comments. And now I will pack it, or I pack it in my everyday carry and compare it maybe with my old wallet from a company called MAMMUT. So now I filled the wallet with kind of a sample. It's an emulation of what I put inside as my EDC carry. So first of all, what you can see is that there is a key, because I put my keys, the keys to my apartment, right inside my wallet. So they hold up with this loop right here with this ring. And the goal of this is when I zip this up, everything is clean. I don't have to care about my keys. They are inside. So when I go out, I just check if I have my phone and my wallet, and that's it. I don't have to check for my keys. So that's a pretty good solution, and you can find rings like this at no cost at all, and it works perfectly well. Then the second thing is the InCharge Rolling Square X, which is a little cable that can be used and is always on me. What you have is USB-A, old USB, USB-C, Then you have the same thing here, USB-C, but here you have lightning and it doubles as a micro USB inside here, which is awesome because you have all the different ports. And what I use this for is an emergency measure. I can always charge my phone into a bus or a metro or something. I can also be the guy with the cable for anyone that needs a cable, and even iPhone users. So very, very nice. And as you can see, I put it right here. It doesn't take space at all. You don't feel it. It's very small, very compact. And I will put the link in the video description if you are interested by this thing. Then what I have more, 3 cards, sample of cards, normal credit cards. Then I have this and this. Here I put my ID card for France, but you can put anything you want, really. It's big pockets, so it's bigger than a credit card. So as you can see, if I fit a credit card inside, it's bigger, so you can put a bigger thing inside here. Then I have a standard banknote here, but you can put any banknote that you want. If you're rich, you can put a lot. And here I have this little device, is to enter my apartment without the key. For this to stick, I have put a Velcro inside here, so on the back of it, and I can remove it or let it like this. And when I let it like this, it's right here. So when I arrive at my destination, I can just tap and it opens the door. And I do exactly the same thing on the other side with Velcro right here. I will not show you the actual card, but I do the same thing. I put Velcro on the back of my card, and the card should be right here. And when I go to take the metro or something, and with public transport, the card is here. I just tap my wallet like this and it opens the door, which is awesome. And I think that's about it for my carry. I just have 1 coin here always on me, just maybe for vending machines. It can always be a nice thing to have this. Right now we will compare my old wallet, which is a MAMMUT maybe, wallet, to this one. Well, the old one, what do we have here? It has a different material, maybe less strong than this one. This one feels strong, very, very strong. You have YKK zippers also with a different pull tabs. The problem is why I switched, because the YKK zipper is coming apart. It's maybe more the stitching, but anyway, it's coming apart. So I don't want to be left not being able to open my wallet. And what we have here was also good zippers. It was a YKK 3RC zipper compared to the 5RC on this one, which is a beefier zipper, and it was also reversed, so very nice. I used it for 3.5 years, I think. So yeah, as you can see, it's not clean. I have signs of usage compared to this one. This one, maybe 1-2 years after, I will do how it held up video. So definitely subscribe to the channel to see this new video in 1 or 2 years. So here you have 3 different cards, 2 old cards. Here you have a pass-through, you have 3 more slots. Here you have a big slot. I put here my ID card, and then you can put banknotes. And here I did exactly the same thing with the badge and with my public transportation card. And here you add a little YKK zipper, same, where you could put some coins. This is how my old wallet was. This is my new wallet. It was a little smaller, but definitely not by much, and I really, really like this one. I definitely replaced the MAMMUT one. And that's about it for this. The last thing I want to show you is I will pack this as I regularly pack it every day. I will not show you the inside, but I will show you how it's big or not on this dimension. So here we are. I packed it as my regular EDC carry. As you can see, it's not big at all. So I packed it like I told you before. And if we check this, it's about 2 centimeters, a little more maybe, in depth, which is more than the 1 centimeter advertised, but still not much, and it fits perfectly into a pocket. So that's a very nice wallet. If you want to buy it or to check it out, go check the link in the video description. I will also put the link for the InCharge X, which is a little cable, and go check them out. If you buy from the link, I will get a little something, which is very appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to see the video in 1 or 2 years on how it held up, and to see all the other videos that are coming. A lot are coming, so thank you very much Thanks for watching. Bye bye.